Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a stop loss on Etrade. Start by logging in and navigating to your portfolio, then choose the position you want protected. Select Trade, then order type, and pick Stop or Stop Limit. Enter your stop price and review estimated costs and shares affected. Confirm the order and monitor it, adjusting as your plan changes and market conditions evolve for better risk control. To place a stop loss on Etrade, open the trade ticket for your position and choose Sell, then select Stop or Stop Limit as the order type. Enter the stop price at which you want the order to trigger and specify the share size. Double-check whether you prefer a market or limit execution after trigger, then review fees and confirm. Keep notes on why you set that level for future adjustments and risk review. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading in any light effortless and lasts days on a single charge, which is perfect while you monitor trades between sessions. It's lightweight for commutes and cozy for nights in, so it pairs nicely with focused trading time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you need to change a stop loss, find the active order in Orders or Positions, then choose Edit or Cancel. Adjust the stop price or share amount as your risk tolerance shifts and decide between widening or tightening the level. Confirm the updated order and note confirmation details. If canceling, ensure you have an updated plan for protection. Regular checks prevent surprises and keep your strategy aligned with goals and market moves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.